Vegan diet health benefits. A well-planned vegan diet can be healthy and provide all the necessary nutrients, but it's crucial to focus on nutrient-rich plant-based foods and potentially supplement for certain nutrients like B12. Here's a more detailed look at the potential benefits and considerations of a vegan diet. Potential health benefits. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Studies have linked plant-based diets to lower rates of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Vegan diets, when well planned, can be rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds.